just grab a pen and just write the whole day and your mood about that day and feeling. So let me tell about one thing about journaling. It is very great and it is very like good because it's like you remember everything in your from your diary. Like which day I have like go to Denmark or like that things. Like see over there. So hi guys, welcome to my channel Saad HareemToys Factory. So I'm with another topic, and this topic is about journaling. And basically journaling is like a habit that you create, and like basically you write the whole day or write the mood about that day. Like in these diaries I have written many from like 1 year, 2 year back. From this diary I bought it from Denmark Odense. See, like I have written some like journaling all that when I go to like Denmark and what I see and what I did. This diary, I just brought it from Pakistan. As you can see, I got a lot of things in these diaries. These journals where you can be a friend and just tell anything and write in these things. This diary I brought it from Medina, no Makkah, Saudi Arabia. This I brought from I think so from Pakistan, and I brought this one from, like my uncle gave me this diary. Yeah. So basically, these are some of the diaries. So let me like tell you about for some things about journaling. In journaling, basically, you have like a comfort zone, and you can in comfort diary and comfort zone. You can write in it, and these like improve your habits and improve your mental health, and also you create a habit to like do like a habit to write in these all things, so you don't forget that day, that what did you do at that day or what you did. So basically these are the things, and you have to create like a place so you can write that diary. Like this is my place, I write all my journals over here or like on my sofas. Where you like comfortable, you can just write on there and like write and sit over there and just write everything. And number two, the thing is that you have to like buy that diary that is comfort like for your notebook, like for your things, so you can write in it. See, like I'm current my diaries I'm writing on it. It is this one, and this one. This was amazing. Like I have wrote a lot of things in this. So yeah, basically this is my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Bye bye.